Asphalt shingles need a steep enough roof slope to shed water effectively, and the common thumb rule is critical for safe installation. For most 3-tab and architectural asphalt shingles, manufacturers commonly recommend a minimum slope of 4 to 12, but some starter systems and special underlayments allow installations down to 2 to 12. For slopes between 2 and 4 to 12, you must use a continuous waterproof underlayment across the roof deck and follow the manufacturer's specific details for lap and fasteners so water cannot track under shingles. Always match the starter strip design to the shingle profile and keep the nail pattern tight to the manufacturer guidance to prevent wind uplift and water infiltration. If your roof slope is at or near the lower limit, consider using woven or interlocking starter courses and apply a compatible ice and water protector at eaves and valleys to create a secondary barrier. When re-roofing, check the deck for adequate ventilation and solid sheathing because low slopes magnify the risk from trapped moisture and poor ventilation increases shingle degradation. If you are unsure, measure rise over run accurately and compare to shingle instructions. When in doubt, choose a steeper design or consult the shingle technical data sheet. The 3 most common mistakes are assuming all shingles work at low slopes, skipping the proper waterproof underlayment on shallow roofs, and using the wrong starter or nail pattern. First, installers often assume any shingle can be used down to 2 to 12, which is false. Always verify the specific product allows low slope use and follow their installation supplement. Second, omitting a continuous waterproof underlayment on slopes between 2 and 4 to 12 invites leaks. Fix this by applying a full roof-wide ice and water-type product approved for low slopes. Third, mismatched starter strips or incorrect nail placement causes premature failure. Replace the starter with the correct profile and follow the nail pattern exactly as specified. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around home improvement topics like roof slope and shingle selection so we can find local professionals and share first-hand experiences. We also host a discussion community where our members ask questions, post pictures, and trade practical tips to help make smarter roofing choices.